Hello, welcome to the short introductory video on the March and April Lab Developer Workshops. These workshops are going to focus on activity-based assessments or the performance-based testing technology that we have in the Skillable platform. My name is Gregory and I'll be your guide through these two workshops during March and April. In March, think of this as like the activity-based assessments 101 environment, so actually looking at how the technology works, the sort of things we can use it for, and actually starting to look at building some basic scripts and the requirements of the Studio platform in order for these scripts to work and return the correct results. We'll even look, based on the current trends around artificial intelligence, how we can use these types of technologies to actually help you produce the scripts that you actually require for your learning outcomes. Then during April, we will then take this a step further. We will look at outcomes, we will look at custom scoring, we will look at how we can use them to build dynamic instructions. We will even start to look at out-of-the-box use cases. So actually using activity-based assessments, not necessarily to directly assess or score users, but just use them to make the learning content more interactive, more engaging, and therefore keep learners more actually involved in the training. And then this will allow you to choose to actually produce much better learning outcome assessments. I really hope you'll get to join me in March and April for these sessions. You don't need to bring any scripting skills with you. The scripting components you will use will all be provided, and hopefully you'll get to see some really interesting things and innovative ways that you can use the Skillable platform. I look forward to seeing you on the 30th of March. Thank you.